what may prove to be a double whammy for the salary class, Union Budget 2021 clubbed with a newly launched wage code will end up decreasing not only an employee's take-home salary but also retirement savings. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman restricted the tax-free return on investment in Provident Fund (PF) at Rs 2.50 lakh as per media report. PF happens to be one of the most popular choices to build post-retirement savings by most middle-class salary earners. Some unidentified persons planted a powerful remote-controlled IED in front of a shop located at Ketrigao Mayai Lekai under Borompat Police Station in Imphal East last night. Manipur Police Bomb Disposal Squad (BDS) safely removed the bomb, averting a major tragedy. Police reports say that the improvised explosive device IED was found placed in front of a shop named Sabana Enterprises, owned by one Abdul Kalam Sheikh, aged 55 years, of Ketrigao Mayai Lekai. Hours after the Tatmadaw declared a state of emergency in the country, it announced names of few of the officials and members of the newly formed government in the country. The military coup in Myanmar allowed the Tatmadaw to replace the previous National League for Democracy-led government. All Manipur District COVID contractual health workers has condemned the service termination of nurses and multitasking staff (MTS) in Churachandpur district. Association spokesperson Laishram Santa, during a press meet at Manipur Press Club in Imphal today, drew the attention of the government towards reconsidering the decision to terminate 171 nurses and 177 MTS who have rendered tireless service to the people during the COVID-19 pandemic. Head of Department, RIMS Psychiatry Department, Dr. R.K. Lenin, and father of handicapped, Padma Shri Awardee L. Nabakishore unveiled a plaque to mark the foundation stone laying of Ima Ashalata Kids Care Center at Khumbong Mamang Lekai in Imphal West today. BJP Sadar Hills District organized a BJP District Level Executive Meeting at District Council Hall, Kangpokpi today. Kangpokpi MLA Nimcha Kipgen chaired the meeting. BJP Kangpokpi District in charge Paukam Haukip was also present during the meet. The main objective of the meeting was to discuss about the resolution adopted during the State Executive Meeting 2021 held in Imphal on January 23 last. India recorded 8,587 fresh COVID-19 cases of the coronavirus disease in the last 24 hours. The total number of active cases in the country has fallen to 1,65,234, while the caseload tally stands at 1.07 crore. As per a media report, globally, nearly 103.9 million people have been infected by the virus. 2 drug peddlers were arrested along with heroin weighing 89 grams by a team of Imphal East Police and Narcotics Cell, Imphal. The drug peddlers were arrested during frisking and checking in and around Kongba Bazaar near Andro Parking in Imphal East yesterday, a police report said. In continuation of the anti-poppy plantation drive, a combined team of Tengnopal District Police, Commando, NAB, Manipur, NCB, 3rd IRB and 2nd Manipur Rifles destroyed around 40 acres of illicit poppy plants at Dolhang Hill Range under Machi Police Station yesterday, a report said today. Superintendent of Police Tengnopal Th. Vikramjit Singh, Superintendent of Police NAB and other officers led the drive. Personnel of 8 Manipur Rifles posted at Moray today filled up potholes on the road stretch located in the vicinity of Moray Police Station. Our correspondent reports the road stretch is very important as it connects Moray Primary Health Care Center. 8 Manipur Rifles officer in charge Thongam Robindro initiated the road repair work as residents have been facing difficulties due to deplorable condition of the road. Various farmers' unions, including Bharatiya Kisan Union, Ugrahan, and Bharatiya Kisan Union, Dakonda, have accused the railway authorities of diverting and short-terminating various trains carrying the Delhi-bound farmer protesters. BKU Ugrahan leader Sukhdev Singh Kokrikalan said that the farmers were boarding the trains to reach the protest site on Delhi border, but the railway authorities have diverted the trains. The launch of the second SQX-1 commercial career rocket, scheduled yesterday, was unsuccessful. The rocket is developed by a Chinese private space company. As per a media report, the abnormal performance was detected during the flight of the rocket, which lifted off from the Zhuquan Satellite Launch Center in northwest China at 4:15 p.m. Beijing time, Xinhua reported. The 12th annual sports meet of Rangkung Youth Club has kicked off today at the Rangkung Part 1 Common Ground in Nonai District. Our correspondent reports the sports meet is held on the motto "Unity through sports to strengthen the youth." The sports meet will continue till February 5.